Climate change is one of the biggest challenges of our time. But what role can project managers play in tackling it? Welcome to this video, where we break down climate change and what the project management profession should be doing about it, a powerful report by Peter W. G. Morris. Let's explore how project management can drive real solutions for the climate crisis. Introduction. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's happening now. But while scientists have been leading the conversation, project managers also have a crucial role to play. This report, published by the Association for Project Management, calls on project professionals to step up and integrate climate considerations into their work. With projects contributing to nearly 20% of global GDP, the way we manage them can shape a more sustainable future. Project managers must focus on outcomes, not just processes, ensuring that their work drives sustainable, impactful results. What is climate change? For many, climate change is just another aspect of sustainability. But it's much bigger than that. We are entering a new era, the Anthropocene, where human activity is altering the Earth's climate at an unprecedented scale. The Paris Agreement, signed in 2015, legally binds nations to limit global temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius, but at our current rate, we are heading for a 3 degrees Celsius rise or more. Greenhouse gases, mainly CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide, are the driving forces behind climate change. The main contributors are energy, transport, agriculture, and deforestation. Achieving the 1.5 degrees Celsius target requires zero or even negative carbon emissions by 2050. Project managers need to understand these realities to make informed decisions and drive sustainability-focused projects. The role of project management. Project management isn't just about budgets and deadlines, it's about shaping the future. The report highlights two key roles for project managers: managing execution phases, ensuring sustainability in traditional projects. Managing the front end, defining and shaping projects that address climate change at a strategic level. However, there's a major flaw in the way climate action is currently managed: no single point of accountability. Governments have fragmented responsibilities, making action slow and ineffective. A climate change project management office could centralize efforts, improve coordination, and accelerate progress. Climate change mitigation. Mitigation means reducing greenhouse gas emissions. And project management is already playing a key role in this. Some projects focus on small improvements, like switching from coal to natural gas or solar energy, developing energy-efficient buildings, and expanding public transportation. Others are transformational projects, aiming for large-scale behavior change. For example, encouraging people to buy electric vehicles, promoting energy-saving habits, and implementing government incentives for green projects. But let's be honest, behavior change is hard. It's often easier to develop new technology than to convince billions of people to change their habits. Some major research and development projects are tackling this challenge: carbon capture and storage, capturing CO2 emissions from power plants and storing them underground. Nuclear fusion, a long-term solution that could provide unlimited clean energy, but it's decades away from reality. Project managers must drive innovation and efficiency in these mitigation projects while recognizing the challenges of large-scale behavioral change. Climate change adaptation. Even if we cut emissions today, climate change impacts are already here. Adaptation projects help us adjust to this new reality. Some examples of adaptation projects include building flood defenses to protect coastal cities, developing heat-resistant infrastructure, and strengthening disaster response systems. One case study is Hinkley Point C, the UK's nuclear power plant project. While it is an example of adaptation, poor project management has led to cost overruns and delays. Better governance and planning could have made this project smoother, proving the importance of strong project leadership in climate adaptation. Plans and strategies, where we fall short. Many governments have climate action plans, but they lack coordination and execution. For example, the UK's National Adaptation Programme outlines risks and investments, but it lacks integration, excludes major areas like housing and energy supply, and has no clear implementation strategy. Project management can bridge this gap by bringing structure, accountability, and execution power to climate action plans. Competencies and capabilities, the missing skills. To tackle climate change, project managers need new skills: understanding climate policies, managing sustainable supply chains, implementing resilient infrastructure projects. The report suggests creating climate change project management certifications, training leaders in sustainability-focused risk assessment, and developing regional and sector-based adaptation strategies. Project managers must upgrade their skills to meet the demands of a changing world. The final call: what should project managers do? Climate change is the project of our lifetime, and project managers have the tools to make a difference. Some key action steps include advocating for sustainability in every project, pushing for better governance and accountability, investing in training for climate-conscious project leadership, supporting major technological innovations. The future depends on how we manage our projects today. Are you ready to be part of the solution?